In this video tutorial, you're going to learn how to copy your course. When you build your course template for our training purposes and you go through our process, you are using a course template that we build for you. That template will not be housed with students. Colleague will create a course in Blackboard that is the actual course shell, and it will populate the students into that course shell. When you have finished our training, you will want to copy your template from the training to your actual course shell. And so I'm going to show you how to do that here. It's a very simple process. But first, you're going to want to go to the course that you want to copy to, and you're going to want to delete each of the course menu items in that course except for the home link. So if I were going to do this here, I would go to the second link, the welcome announcement link. I would click here and I would delete. Now it'll ask me a couple times if I really want to delete this. This is a permanent action, and yes, I'm going to click delete this menu item and it'll ask me again. You're going to delete all of those. You'll follow that step and you'll delete all of these course menu items all the way down except for the home link. You want to leave that home link so Blackboard knows where to open the course and it won't get hung up when you make this copy. Now after you've deleted those things in the course that you're copying to, then you want to navigate over to the course you're copying from. Once you get to the course you're copying from, you will scroll down to the control panel and you will choose Packages and Utilities. From that menu, you will choose Course Copy. This should be an existing course that you're copying into, so you're going to leave this the same, take the default here, but if for some reason it doesn't say existing course, you're going to want to change that to copy course materials into an existing course. You're going to want to type your course ID that you're copying to here. So I will type a sample course ID, or I can browse here without typing it in. And when you click the browse button, it's going to bring up a list of all the courses that you're enrolled in as the instructor, and you can choose from that list. For me, it's easy to remember my course ID, so I just type it into the destination course ID box. After that step, I'm going to choose Select All. When I choose Select All, it will actually not select all, but it will select all of the things that Campbell's Computing Services has decided are most pertinent to copying over to your new course. Typically, I take the defaults. I just choose Select All and I leave it. I don't change anything here. I just take all the defaults here, and then I take the default here for the file attachments as well. Now, one thing of note, this is defaulted to not include enrollments in the copy. That is exactly what we want to do. We do not want to include course enrollments in this copy, so I'm going to leave this blank. I'm not going to check this box. Once I have finished, I will click Submit, and I should get a green message across the top of my course that tells me that the course has been copied. I will also receive an email notification that tells me that the course has been copied. Now, one last thing. Sometimes these course copies take a little bit longer than others, so I would wait 5 to 30 minutes, 5 minutes to 30 minutes before being alarmed that everything in my course had not copied over. Typically things are copying over within the first 5 minutes, but there's some cases where it may take up to 30 minutes for everything to populate into the course that you copied to. And once you've copied that course into the correct course shell where the course should run in Blackboard with your students, then you're ready to go and you're ready to start your course.